Hello, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is All at Sea. The page number is 12. Please open page number 12. Take a pencil in your hand, and the name is All at Sea. So we will be learning about lots of new things about seas and oceans. So this is you will be seeing the clues are given in this grid below. Okay, so the world of seas and oceans is fascinating. That means it's vast, beautiful, and rich in marine life. That means there are lots of marine life present in all our seas and oceans. You all know about this. To learn about more about oceans, we have to read the clues. See, there are 8 clues given over here. We have to find out the answers, and the answers are given in this word grid. Okay, we have to choose. I have written the answers. I'll be choosing it from this box now. Okay, so the accordingly you all will follow what I am doing. Okay, the first one is, this is the largest ocean on the earth. You all know that Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Let's find out in this box. See, this is Pacific Ocean, right? So we have to circle this Pacific Ocean, right? So just Pacific is written, circle, just make a circle so that you all remember it. Next one is, this ocean lies between the continents of Europe and Africa on one side, and South America and North America on the other. You have to remember the ocean which lies between the continents of Europe and and Africa on one side, and the other sides are South America and North America. This ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so Atlantic Ocean, you all have to remember the name, and accordingly it will be coming as in fill in the blanks or one line question. Okay, just Atlantic, just circle it, Atlantic. Okay, accordingly do it in your book as well. Third one is, this continent is famous for the Great Barrier Reef. So which continent is it? It's Australia. This is very famous. Just remember, Great Barrier Reef goes with Australia. Okay, it's very famous for this place. Okay, so Australia, let's find out where is Australia. Here it is, Australia. Okay, so just mark in your book like I am doing, Australia. Fourth one is, it is the largest inland water body on earth. Inland means it's far away from the ocean. That means it's within the country. So the sea is bordered by 5 countries. Okay, it's within the 5 countries. Which sea it is? It's Caspian Sea. Let's find out in this word grid, where is it? Caspian Sea, it's here. Okay, it's Caspian Sea. Now the fifth one is, the deepest known point on earth is found in this part of the ocean. Which point it is? Which is the deepest point? That means it is the ocean at this point is far deep. It is called Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is very famous. Just remember the name, that this is the deepest point known on earth's surface. Okay, so where is it, Mariana Trench? Let's find out in the word grid. It's over here, Mariana Trench, this one, Mariana, and here it goes, Trench. Okay, so mark in your book as well. Sixth one is, this sea is located in Southeast Europe, and its bottom layer contains almost no life. That means there is no life at the bottom. Which sea is it? It's called Black Sea. It's very famous. You have to remember that which sea has no life in the bottom. It is Black Sea. Remember the name. So the Black Sea is over here. Just mark in your book. Here it is. Now come to the seventh one. This part of a sea or large lake, partly surrounded by a wide curve of land. You all know the definition of bay. So this is the definition of bay. See in your SST book also, you'll be finding out what is bay. There's a large part of a sea or large lake which is one side, it is surrounded by a wide curve type of. Bay of Bengal, you will be seeing that there is a curve, so that is bay. Okay, so please mark in your book, this is bay. Fine. Come to the last one. These animals are called vacuum cleaners of the sea. Why is it called vacuum cleaners? Because it actually cleans the ocean surface. Okay, and it can also fluctuate its temperature with the change in the climate. Okay, so the name of the animal is sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. Okay, where is sea cucumber? Let's find out where is sea cucumber. I guess it's in this word grid only. You all have to find out where is sea cucumber. I guess it's over here. Sea cucumber, this one. Sea cucumber. Okay, just mark it in your book. this is coming in the form of phrases. The phrases which are given over here in this form, it will be coming in your exam. Just remember the one line which is given on each place or each part of the seas and oceans. Just remember all these. If you face any difficulty, please let me know once. Okay, thank you and bye for the day. Thank you.